Hello. In this session, we are going to use the LightGbm tuner for the multi-class classifier. LightGbm is a gradient boosting framework that uses the tree-based learning algorithm. It grows the tree vertically, while other algorithm grows the tree horizontally. LightGbm is a prefix as a light because it's a high speed. It can handle the large size of data and take the low memory on it. It's not advisable to use the LightGbm on the small data set. However, I'm going to use the small dataset having the 1000 record only for this session. Our dataset has the three features and values between the 0 to 2. Label is a type of string. This dataset also generated randomly. Let's switch to Visual Studio. Here I have added the dataset file, created input model. It has the two properties, class and features. Reserve model inherited from the input model and it has two additional properties. Predicted label as an unsigned integer that will represent a key and a predicted class that will represent a string. And in the demo file loaded the dataset. For LightGbm we need to add the new NuGet package. Search for the microsoft.ml.lightgbm. I suggest you to align the version for all ml.net packages. Means if you are using the version 1.5 for the ml.net, then you have to use the same version for the other ml.net packages and install it. First of all, we need to split the dataset. This fraction will be 0.01. Let me create a pipeline. First of all, we need to convert the label having the string value to the numeric. For this, I am going to use the map value to key method. Output column name will be the label and input will be a class. After that, append the LightGbm tuner and pass 100 for the number of leaves. Here we have converted the string value into the key. So in the result, we also need to convert back keys into the string. In the previous session, we have not performed this step, but it worked because we have the label having the numeric value. So value and key both were same at that time. Use the map key to value method here. Output column name will be the predicted class and input will be the predicted label. Create a model from the pipeline. Transform the train dataset. Generate a list from the dataset. Loop through the each prediction. Print out the existing class and the predicted class value. In this example, I am also going to evaluate the model. Let me print out the macro accuracy and the micro accuracy for the model. Update the program.cs file for the session 34. Save all the files and run the project. Here we got the proper prediction for the almost record. Expect those couple of records. And then model has a good accuracy. You can also update the hyperparameter for this trainer to get the more accuracy. Let's see what we have learned in this session. LightGbm is a tree-based algorithm. It's a fast as well as use the less memory. It can work with the large data set, and we need to add the additional NuGet package for the LightGbm. Here is the example that we have created. In the pipeline, we have converted the string value of the class to the key in the label. Then added the LightGbm trainer and converted back the key into the string value. See you in the next session.